On this issue of Chill MagaZeen, we take you on an airplane tour of Historic Annapolis, America's sailing capital. Thank you, Mr. Pilot.
Hold short, runway 21 right, Skyhawk 064.
Let's take a journey. That's the Chesapeake Bay Bridge. Look at these lovely houses with their docks and their pools in their yard. Dream big, right? Look how many boats. It's a lovely catamaran. Lighthouse on an island. Coming up to the countryside, we have wildlife refuges. There's lions, tigers, bears, otters, bald eagles. Him catch it. Farms. Yes, me pilot. Put some gas in it. I feel like I'm in the movie Airplane. You clap when you land safely.
Thank you.
As Miss Lou would say, walk good and see you next time on Chill MagaZeen.